Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining for today's webinar. Am I audible to you guys? Yes or no? Am I audible, everyone? I hope I am audible to you. So shall we start? My name is Ruchita and I am from IFS Institute. We are presenting strategic to crack exams. Kindly please mute your audio and video. If you have any doubt during the presentations, we will clear it out at the end of the sessions. Now further any ado, I am delighted to take an opportunity to introduce the resource person for today's. He is Mr. Pawan sir. He has completed his UGC NET, GRF, and Commerce and Economics. MH Set Commerce, member of Paper Setting and Evaluation Board, and having 4 years of teaching experience. Now, without further consuming any time, I would like to invite Pawan sir to enlighten the students. Over to you, sir.
Hello everyone. I think I am audible, and please make sure if I am clearly visible to you all guys. Right? You guys, you can comment in the chat box if you have any query, and we will solve any query of yours at the end of the session. Till then, you guys have to pay attention and listen to the things properly, which I am going to share with you all today. Right? Sure. Coming to the competitive examination, like strategy to crack the competitive examination, what are the foremost things we need to know about the competitive examination? What exactly is the competitive examination? Simply putting, competitive examination is nothing but, right, is a demand and supply concept. As you all the students are commerce background, you know the demand and supply student, right? So supply for the recruitment or supply for the opportunity is less and demand is more, right? So that is why the competition arises, right? So today I will share you some of the insights of the strategy to competitive for the to cracking the competitive examination, right? As you can see, ma'am has given a very good introduction of mine, and I'm very thankful. And I welcome you all. I welcome you all to the session, to this webinar, and I hope this webinar will be very much helpful for you all. Right? So let's start. So the very most thing, the very first question comes in our mind is that what after masters, right? What after masters? What we have to do? In which way we should go to so that we can say we can have a career, right? You know, when we can say our career, right? Like our parents says, you have done your graduation, you have done your profession. Now go and look for some job and do and earn something, right? So this is the stage where everyone has the question as to what to do, what we really need to do, right? We should follow our insight, we should follow our intuition, or we should see ahead of the opinion that society has for us, right? So what after masters, there are two things I can share with you is that either you can go for the academics, or either you can go for the corporate job. So what are corporate, and what is corporate job, and what is academics? Let's see what is that. So as I can say, as you can see, we have divided the job opportunity or the career opportunity. Instead of job opportunity, I would say career opportunity in two parts. Like if you have to if you have done masters, so we have two options. Like either we can go with academics, either or we can go with the job things, right? So coming to the academics, we have two options, right? The example, the very example of academic is me only, and your teachers are only the example of the academics, right? So there are two options. You can become assistant professor, or then other option is to pursue PhD, that is doctorate of philosophy, right? And the other one is job. Other one is job. So what kind of jobs are there for the candidate who is passing the MCOM examination recently, right? So there are cost accountant, tax consultant, chartered financial analyst, and many more. Many more jobs are there. But today, as an assistant professor, I will share the insights of the academic thing, what really academic is. And if you want to pursue this career in academics, if you want to go with the assistant professor, or you can go you want to go with the PhD, so what you need to do, and what is the procedure to apply and to become the desired goal, right? To accomplish the desired goal, right? Chalo, let's see. Why academics? The very first question, you should be very much clear if you are choosing any academic career, so as to why you should be in academic career, as to why you should be in academic career, you should be very much clear with that, and that clarity will help you put the efforts in a required way, right? As you all know, you study for the whole semester, give the exam, take the examinations, and then result comes, right? So if you have clarity, if you have what clarity about what you are doing, then you can really can think of pursuing the career in academics. So why academics? The very first is passion for teaching. If you have passion for teaching, if you love explaining the things, if you love explaining the concepts to the students, so this is for you guys. Mentoring student, right? See, लाइक सबके लाइफ में ऐसा होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं हम कोई कॉन्सेप्ट हो, कोई फ्रेंड हो, कोई इफ देर इज एनी स्टूडेंट, एनी फैकल्टी, एनी फैमिली मेंबर, एनी रिलेटिव, एनी फ्रेंड who is get confused with the concept and anything that they are doing, then if you like explaining them, if you like mentoring them as to how they should pursue their career, so you are good in mentoring, so this is for you guys. And then after that, career research. Dude, see, this is the thing I would like you all people to pursue. Being an assistant professor, I know the importance of research. And research has now emerged as a new career platform for every one of you, especially for commerce student. And commerce is the field, remember, commerce is the field which manages all the rest of the fields. Okay, keep that in mind. After that, freedom over your time. So it is not the job, right? Like as I said, it is not the job for 9 to 5. You have to go to the office, do your job, and come to the home, where you will not get your time for your family, not for your leisure, not for your hobbies, right? So this is not the case with the academics. If you are pursuing academics, you will have a freedom over your time, guys. Job security is also there. Job security, right? So if you qualify the required examination to become an assistant professor or junior research fellowship, so this is for you guys, right? Academics, there are two things. Either you can qualify using exam JRF examination, or you can take the SAT examination, right? So what are they? The difference between UGC NET and SAT. What is the difference between UGC NET? What is UGC? UGC is nothing but the University Grants Commission. University Grants Commission, which conducts the examination for the people who are aspiring to become an assistant professor or JRF, that is NET examination and SAT examination. SAT examination is conducted by the State Institute, right? तो नेट अगर हम बात करते हैं, if we talk about the NET examination, NET is nothing but the national level examination. It is the national level examination, and SAT is the state level examination. SAT is a state level examination, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind that NET, if you qualify NET examination, or if you qualify the SAT examination, you can either way can apply for the PhD or assistant professor. But remember one thing, that NET, if you qualify NET, you can apply all over the India, whatever the state it is, whichever the university it is, right? And if you qualify for the state examination, you will be eligible to apply for the position in that particular state only. Okay, so which are the states who conduct the state examination? They are nothing but the Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Northeast, and Karnataka. These are the states which conduct the examination on their state level. So NET, what is NET? NET is nothing but the big is conducted on behalf of UGC, right? For the eligibility of assistant professor. So this is the minimum eligibility criteria if you want to become, if you want to pursue your career as a teacher, as an assistant professor in your subject, particular subject, right? So you have to qualify NET examination. And for this is the minimum qualification for junior research fellowship also, okay, where you can pursue your PhD and you will get the stipend for the from the government to pursue your career in PhD, right? Same ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर यूजीसी नेट JRF इन्वाइटेड ट्वाइस. तो ये जो एग्जामिनेशन होता है इट इज कंडक्टेड ट्वाइस अ ईयर. इट इज जून सेशन which is going to be being conducted right now, and December session will come notification. Okay, so what is the mode of examination? This examination is computer based test, so you have to be very much well versed with the online thing, the technique. You should be tech savvy to apply for this examination. So what is the pattern for examination? If you apply for this examination, the pattern for the examination is that there are two sections, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, your ability to teach, your ability to grasp the knowledge, your mathematical reasoning, your logical reasoning, your general awareness will be tested, for which you will be asked 50 questions of 2 marks each, 100 marks for in total. And for paper 2, whichever your specific subject, like if you have commerce, if you are from MCom, you can apply for commerce subject. If you are for MA economics, you can apply for economics subject, right? So for that you will be asked 100 questions for 2 marks each, in total 200 marks. So you have to qualify 300 marks of examination within 180 minutes of time. Are you getting me? So what is the eligibility criteria to apply? See, to become an assistant professor, you need to be qualified for the NET examination, and to apply for the examination, to appear in the examination, you should be able to score at least 55% marks in your post graduation, right? And this is there is a relaxation also, relaxation for OBC category students, SC, ST, PWD and transgender category candidate, at least 50%. So 5% relaxation is there, right? And then after that, eligibility criteria for UGC NET examination, if you check, this is not compulsory that until and unless you clear the post graduation examination, then and then only you will be able to apply, right? Keep in mind that if you are in the final examination, if you are going to appear in the final examination, if you are a student of last year of your post graduation, so you can anyway apply for this examination, you are eligible. Okay, and then what is the age limit? Age factor comes is there. So what is the age limit? Is there any age limit for to apply for the said examination? No. Okay, for JRF there is age restrictions, right? So not more than 31 years. If you want to apply for the JRF examination, you should not be more than the 30 years of your age, right? And there is a 5 years relaxation for OBC category students, right? Age limit, if we talk for assistant professor, there is no age limit. Age is just a number for assistant professor. You can become an assistant professor at any stage of your life. So there is no upper age limit. So what is the syllabus? Coming to the syllabus, right? One of the most important thing for any competitive examination student, that he should know and he should be very much clear and well versed with the syllabus of the said examination. So if you see the syllabus, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see here, so all the syllabus that we are going to see here is the syllabus that you have studied in your graduation and your post graduation. See, no different subject you will find, right? Business environment and international, where we learn what are the different types of international theories, what kind of international trade is going to be conducted. Accounting and auditing, what is the procedure. Business economics, right? Business finance, business research methods, right? Syllabus, if you syllabus, and then 10 units, remaining 5 units are business management, is HRM, banking and financial institution, marketing management, legal aspect, which we call business law, income tax and corporate tax planning, that is Income Tax Act 1961, right? So this is the syllabus, and I'm pretty much sure that you must have studied all the syllabus in your graduation and post graduation itself. So there is nothing new you will come across while preparing for the examination, right? So what are the benefit of qualifying the examination? If you qualify the NET examination, you will be if you apply for the college university, you will get 57,700 to 79 to 800 as your salary. See, this is decent salary you will get, right? And if you qualify JRF, you will anyway be qualified for the assistant professor. And if you pursue your PhD while applying for the junior research fellowship, you will be given 31,000 per month in your first 2 years of your PhD when you are junior research fellow. And once you become a senior research fellow, and for next 2 years, you will be provided 35 years per month as your stipend for your carrying out the research work. See, what is the great of it? You will not find any other option as beneficial as research is and fellowship is, right? So for qualifying the examination, what is the cutoff for the examination? If you see the cutoff, you can see, as you can see here, this is the cutoff for June 19 to 21. So this is the cutoff for 2022. So as you can see, if you see the cutoff for the unreserved category, 98.1.5 percentile, and for the JRF 99.68 percentile. And if you clearly see the total number of candidates qualified for the commerce subject, only around 2 to 3 thousands, right? And for JRF examination, only 3 to 400 people all over the India, they could qualify the examination. So you can understand the competition and the importance of the things, right? So this is the statistics where you can have insight about the how many number of people are appearing the examination, if it is important or not, and how many students out of who are applying for the examination are qualified. So you should see 12 lakh, around 12 to 13 lakh people appear for the apply for the examination, out of which hardly 50% appear for the examination, and only 6 to 7% could qualify the examination. So if you want to become those 6 to 7%, so you can say हम लाखों में से एक हैं, ठीक है? अगर आप एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करते हैं तो आप सीधा कह सकते हैं कि हम लाखों में से एक हैं, ठीक है? तो कंफ्यूज है अगर आपको करियर, तो देखो आपको मैंने आज एकेडमिक्स के बारे में दो राय बताई है मैंने. इफ यू कैन गो फॉर एकेडमिक्स फॉर continue with the assistant professor, or you can either way go for the your JRF fellowship, right? Okay, so if you are confused while choosing the career path, so this is the suggestion that you should be passionate with your career, and very much well known saying is that you have to marry your career. That is going to last with you for the whole rest of your life, right? So what are the most important qualities that every candidate who is going to appear in any examination, competitive examination, is that, see, right mindset. You have to right mindset to understand the examination. as to what you need to study, as to why you are applying for the examination, and what you will become and what you will get after the qualifying the examination. You should be able to have confidence, and for confidence you should be consistent, and for efficiency you have to practice a lot for the examination, right? And important tips ये हो गए आप लोगों के लिए. Whichever the examination you are preparing for, keep your study and study material concise and directional way, right? Practice question previous year question will give you an idea as to what kind of questions are being asked in the examination, and as to how you can prepare for the examination, right? Time management, the best way to manage the time is to not waste the time, right? So full length mock test, after giving the full length mock test, you will come to know that what kind of level of questions being asked, what is the time given to you, and how you should manage the time. So you should give at least 10 to 15 full length mock tests before appearing the examination. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Till now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Regarding academics, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, guys. Is there any doubt? You can simply put in the comment box if you have any doubt. No doubt. You are clear. You are all clear with the seminar and webinar that we have today. The insight we have regarding the academics, right? So if you have no doubt, guys, so from my side and with IFS family, if you have any query, you can simply call, or you can simply visit the website of ours, ifsonline.com, for any further information, right? Chalo. So thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your day, and I wish you all the best in your career, further career, right? Chalo. Thank you so much for joining. Enjoy your day and happy learning with IFS. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining.